Welcome to DevOps coding interview questions. Let's learn one more coding question today. They gave me a list and they asked me to find the greatest number after adding two consecutive values. For example, adding 10 and 2, which is 12, adding 2 and 56, which is 58. Likewise, we need to add consecutive numbers in this list and find the largest number out of it. Let's go and see how to write this logic. What I want to do is, I want to loop on this list for I in. So I want to loop with help of indexes. Range takes three arguments. First argument tells where to begin. Second argument, where to end. Third argument, how many steps to move at a time. I want to begin from 0 and I want to end at the last element. To find length of this list, let's use len function, provide data as an argument, which is the list. Now, let me have one temp value, otherwise let me have a result value. Initially, I'm keeping 0 as its value and see the logic. If data of I, meaning if we are picking first element, then data of I is 0, which is 10, plus data of I plus 1. I'm picking the current element and the next element. Let me group this addition is greater than result. Then result equals the sum of current element and the next element. For example, current value is 0. Now let's say this for loop is beginning at index 0. I will be 0. Data of I is 10. Data of I plus 1 is 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. It is greater than result. It is true. Now result is stored with 10 plus 2. Correct? Now in the next iteration, I is 1. So it picks 2 plus 56, which is 58. Now 58 is greater than 12. 58 will be stored in the result. So likewise, we are trying to pick up the largest number after adding consecutive numbers and keeping it in the result. After this for loop finishes, we will have our output, which is the largest value of adding two consecutive numbers. Correct? Once for loop is finished, result will have our actual output. The largest number is result. We'll run it. Of course, it is failing. I intentionally wrote this code to fail. See, when it comes to the end, right, it is trying to pick the next element which is not there. Meaning, we should stop the loop at 8 itself, correct? Then this problem will go off. To do that, length of data minus 1. This will fix the problem. Run it. We are seeing wrong answer. Okay, there is a typo issue, right? Run the code. Yes, 177. See, adding these two numbers is giving the largest value. Thanks for watching.